Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and two-factor access. Without that, you can't change settings. Next, capture screenshots of any errors so you can compare results and provide evidence if needed. Once done, open your page settings and verify roles, visibility, and whether the page is published. If you see missing roles or a shadow ban-like status, note the specific flags. These steps set the groundwork, so subsequent fixes target the right problem quickly and safely. Now diagnose deeper settings and content causes. Check page transparency for strikes or content removals because that explains many issues. Then inspect recent posts, scheduled posts, and add account status since a single flagged post or unpaid ad can restrict features. Use View as to test the page as a visitor and confirm what's actually visible. Also check linked apps and tag approvals. Sometimes third-party integrations break publishing. Make targeted adjustments after each test so you know which. Finish by applying fixes, restore or update roles, remove or edit violating posts, and clear browser and Facebook caches, then republish. Verify changes by testing page visibility and admin tools. If restrictions persist, submit an appeal via the support inbox with your screenshots and a clear timeline. Also reconnect or update payment methods if ads are involved. Troubleshoot if problems remain. Replicate the issue from a different Facebook account and device to isolate whether it's account-specific, device-related, or a platform-wide problem before escalating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.